Good morning class. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to start a new topic that you will do in your notebooks. You have to do this topic in your notebooks. First of all, write down date and day on your notebooks. Write down date and day. Then write down the topic, number names 101 to 200. Underline this heading. Write down the heading, number names 101 to 200 and underline this. Then write left side. There is a margin. On right side also leave two boxes here and draw the margin line. Leave two boxes and draw the margin line. Right? Now we are going to start number names from 101. Till 100 you have done already. Till 100 we have done in the chapter numbers up to 100. Right? Now we are going to start from next 101. How to write it? 101. 101. How it is 101? This is 100. 100 है 3-digit number. This is 100. After 100 what is there? 1. It is 101. Next after 101, 100 to 100 2. Next 103. We will do 103. Next is 104. 104. Next 105. How to write 105? 105. In this way you will do this on your notebooks. 101. Same as counting earlier you have done. Earlier we were doing counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 100 will come extra. 100. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105. In this way you will do this in your notebooks. After 105 what will come? 106. 106. Then 107. How will you write 107? 107. Next is 108. 108. 109. 109. After 9 what will come? Which number is coming after 9? That is 10. So it will be 110. It was 09. After 09 what will come? 10. 100 is there. This is already same. 1 तो यहाँ पे पहले से था, वो सेम है. 09 है हमारे पास 1 digit number. उसके बाद after 9 what is coming? 10. So this is 110. 110. Till 110 you will do like this. Now we have done till 110. After 10 what will come? After 10 it will come 11. After 10 what will come? 11. We have done already. 10 के बाद क्या आता है? 11. So we will start here. 111. 111. After 11, 12. So it is 112. 112. 113. 113. 114. This is 115. 115. In this way you will do till 115. Means 111, 112, 113, 114, 115. In this way you will do this in your notebooks. Now we have done till 115. After 15 what will come? 15 के बाद क्या आता है? दैट इज 16. We are doing 100s, so that will be 116. See here, 116. How will you write it? 116. Next is 117. How will you write? 117. Next is 118. 118. 119. 119. After 19, 19 के बाद क्या आएगा? 20. 19 के बाद क्या आता है? 21 है, वो हमने ऐसे लिख लिया. दिस इज 120. 120. In this way you will note down in your notebooks 116 to 120. Right? Now we have done till 120. 20 के बाद क्या आता है? You have done the counting all. 20 के बाद क्या आता है? 21. Means हम 120 कर रहे थे. 120 के बाद क्या आएगा? 121. 1 to 1, it is 121. How will you write? 121. 21 के बाद 22. 122. फिर 23, ऐसे 123. 123. नेक्स्ट 124. कैसे लिखेंगे? 124. नेक्स्ट 125. How will we write? 125. In this way you will do this in your notebooks. 121, 122, 123, 124, 125. Right? Now we have done till 125. After 125, what will come? 25 के बाद क्या आता है? 26. हम 125 कर रहे हैं, तो 125 के बाद क्या आएगा? 126. How will we write it? Look here. 126. How will we write in words? 126. Next 127. 127. 128. How will we write? 128. Next is 129. 29 के बाद क्या आएगा? After 29 क्या आता है? 30. How will we write 30? Same we have written. After 29, what will come? 30. We have written 30. So it is 130. How will we write? 130. In this way you will do 126 to 130. This all you have to do in your notebooks, right? Now we have done till 130. After 130, what will come? 31. After 130, what will come? 131. We will start from here. 131. How will we write? 131. This is 31. 100. 131. 132. 132. Next is 133. How will we write? 133. 134. How will we write? 134. 135. 100 same. 35. So it is 135. How will we write? 135. In this way you will note down this in your notebooks. Now next we have done till 135. After 135 what will come? After 35 क्या आता है? 36. 35 के बाद क्या आता है? 36. We are doing 135. So 135 के बाद क्या आएगा? 136. So we are going to do that. 136. How will we write? 136. 137. 137. 138. 138. Next 139. 139. Next is 140. 39 के बाद क्या आएगा 40, 140, 140. 40 की स्पेलिंग कीप इन माइंड FORTY, FORTY. This is the exact spelling of 40. FORTY. Keep in mind spelling of 40. So this is the number names 136 to 140. Right? Now we have done till 140. 40 के बाद क्या आएगा 41. So we are going to start from 141. So how will we write it? 141 in numbers 141. Right? Next after 41, 42, 142. 142. Next 143 कैसे लिखेंगे 143. Next 144, 144. Next is 145, 145. So 141 to 141, 41 to 45, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145. In this way you will do 141 to 145, right? We have done till 145. What will come after 145? 146. क्योंकि 45 के बाद क्या आता है 46. We are going to do that one now. 146. How will you write 146? What is the spelling of 40? FORTY. 146. Next is 147. How will you write 147? Next 148. 148. Next 149. 149. Next 49 के बाद क्या आता है 50. So we will write it 150. कैसे 150. What is the spelling of 50? FIFTY. FIFTY. Spelling of 50. In this way you will do this in your notebooks. Till 150 we have done till now, right? We have done till 150. 50 के बाद क्या आता है 50 के after 51. We will start from 151. This is 151. How will we write it in words? 151. Next 51 के बाद 52. So it is 152. 152. उसके बाद 153. 153. 154. How will we write? 154. फिर 155. 155. In this way you will do 151 to 155. We have done till 155. 155 के बाद क्या आएगा 156. कैसे लिखेंगे 156. Next 157. How will we write 157. Next 158. 158. 58 के बाद 159. 159. 59 के बाद क्या आता है आफ्टर 59 क्या आता है 60. वी आर डूइंग 159. 159 है उसके बाद क्या आएगा 160. हाउ विल वी राइट 160. स्पेलिंग ऑफ 60 SIXTY. SIXTY. In this way you will do 156 to 160. We have done till 160. 60 के बाद क्या आता है What will come after 60? 61. So we are going to start from 161. How will we write 161? In words 161. Next 162, 162. Next 163, 2 के बाद 3 आएगा 163. उसके बाद 164, 164. Next 165, 165. In this way you will do this in your notebooks. We have done till 165. 65 के बाद क्या आएगा 66. So it is 166. 166. उसके बाद 167. 167. उसके बाद 67 के बाद 68. 168. After 68, 69, 169. 169. 69 के बाद क्या आता है 70. We are doing 169. 169 के बाद क्या आएगा 170. 170. What is the spelling of 70? SEVENTY. This is the spelling of 70. So 166 to 170. After 170, what will come? 171. How will we write 171? This is the way to write 171. In words, 171. Next is 172. 172. Next, after 72, what will come? 73. This is 172. So what will come? 173. 173. Next 174. 174. 175. 175. In this way you will do 171 to 175 in your notebook. After 175, 176. 176. Next 177. 177. Next 178. How will we write? 178. Next 179. 179. अब 79 आ गया. 79 के बाद क्या आता है 80. So it is 179. उसके बाद 180. 180. Spelling of 80. EIGHTY. 80. This is the spelling of 80. EIGHTY. In this way you have to do this in your notebooks. We have done till 180. What will come next? 181. 181. How will we write? 181. Next 182. कैसे लिखेंगे? 182. Next 183. 183. 83 के बाद 184. 184. After 84, 85. 185. How will we write? 185. After 185, what will come? 186. How will we write? 186. After 86, 87. 187. 187 के बाद 188. 188. Next 189. 189. उसके बाद 89 के बाद क्या आता है 90. So it is 190. Right? After 90, what will come? 91. We have done till 190. After 190, what will come? 191. How will we write? 91. Sorry. 191. After 90, what will come? 91. So it is 191. After 91, what will come? 92. 192. Then 193. 93 के बाद 94, it is 100, 194. अब 194 के बाद 195, 195. Now we have done till 195. 195 के बाद 196. How will we write? 196. इसके बाद 197, 197, 198. 98 के बाद 99, 199. अब 99 आ गया. 99 के बाद क्या आता है? 100 होता है ना. अब 100 तो ऑलरेडी है, तो 1 के बाद क्या आता है हमारे पास? 2. सो दिस इज 200. 99 के बाद क्या आता है? 100 आता है, बट 100 तो हमारे पास ऑलरेडी है, इट इज 199. 1 के बाद क्या आता है? 2. सो दिस इज 200. हाउ विल वी राइट इट? 200. दिस इज 200, 200. Right? In this way, you have to do the number names from 101 to 200 on your notebooks. I hope it is clear to you. If any doubt is there, any confusion is there, you can ask in WhatsApp group. Thank you.